Hello beauties, welcome back to the style side. Today I will swatch and review this pretty lip balm kit from PopXo makeup collection. This kit is called Pucker Up Lip Balm Kit. This is a set of 3 highly pigmented and hydrating lip balms with fruity scents. First I'll say that the packaging is really cute and environment friendly, as it's made up of thin cardboard. Now coming to the lip balms, first up is the shade Berrylicious and its perfect purple shade. It glides smoothly and gives a perfect purple tint. I never used any lip balm which actually delivers a purple color, so it's pretty amazing. Next is the shade Strawberry Kisses. It's a reddish pink color and it's more pigmented than the purple Berrylicious one. In the swatch it looks pure red, but when applied to the lips it's sort of a warm pink color. Last but not the least we have the shade Cherry Blossoms, and it's a deep wine sort of maroon shade and it's super pigmented. It's the most pigmented among the 3 and you need only one swipe of it to achieve the color. Now all these lip balms are equally very hydrating. They stay for at least 2 to 3 hours without eating anything. They are all very pigmented and have their respective scents, which is my favorite experience with them as I love scented lip balms. As for the ones who don't like scented products, this is not for you as they have a pretty strong scent. Overall it's a great product at a great price. I have put the link of this product in my description. Do comment which one is your favorite among these 3. Mine is Cherry Blossoms. Thank you for watching. Love you.